this tutorial, I will show you how to make this super cool car fall effect inside DaVinci Resolve. First step is to open the clip in the color page. Right-click on the preview screen and click Grab Still. Move to the gallery and choose Export. Export it to a wanted location. Open it up in Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, go to Google and search Object Remover. It will do the same thing. If you have Photoshop, find Rectangular Tool and use Generative Fill to remove the car. Now we can import the photo back to DaVinci. Position the clips like I do. Now let's copy the original layer. Go to Clip and then Freeze Frame. Open it in the color page. Take your pen tool and mask out the car. Move to the node section and add alpha output. Now you can go back. Make a new compound clip and after that open it in Fusion page. Add transform. Go to the last frame and make a keyframe for center. Go into the beginning and adjust the center until the car isn't visible anymore. Click on Spline. Select center and highlight both of the points. Press S on your keyboard to smooth them out. Drag on the last point to make it similar to mine. Great. Now we have a car falling and then continuing normally. Click on the original video and open it in Fusion page. Find Planar Tracker. Draw a rectangle on the ground as close to the car as you can. You can also draw it around something like a rim, but it depends on clip what works the best. Set reference time and change tracker to hybrid point area. Track it forward and backwards if needed. Drag the cracking VFX on the node section. I'll leave a download link in the description. Make sure global in and out is maxed. This part might be a little confusing. Drag on the corner points so the cracking effect sits nicely and looks realistic for the angle of the video. If the cracking video looks weird or laggy, you can try to delete the planar tracker and track a different part of the video. Now copy the original layer again. Delete the unnecessary nodes in the Fusion page. Then open the clip in the color page. Make a mask around the car. Track it. If the tracking fails like for me, click on this frame button and fix all the frames where the mask didn't track. Once you are ready, add alpha output. We are almost done. Drag an adjustment layer on the timeline and position it like I do. Add camera shake. Make a keyframe for overall strength in the beginning. Move few frames and turn on overall strength a little. Go to about halfway and turn it all the way down. Change edges to mirror, and on the settings, turn on motion blur. Also, add motion blur for the freezed car layer. That's basically it.